Hey everyone, quick gear review today to take a look at the Ulanzi GoPro battery cover for the GoPro Hero 9. It's a great little accessory that allows you to charge or power the camera while you are using it by creating an access port over the charging port. So yeah, let's take a look at it and how to use it. The GoPro here has the standard battery door. This door is waterproof, and this one's not going to be because of the opening port, but if you do need to power the camera while you are using it, you just pop this door off, open it all the way, twist it off of the hinge pin here, and then you take the Ulanzi door, pop it onto the hinge pin, and then you shut it, lock it in place, and then the door is secure, but it allows you to access the GoPro's charging port. So then you can take your charging cable, power cable, plug it in there, and that will allow you to power the camera while you are using it for as long as you need it to without having to worry about the battery dying. To remove it, if you need waterproofness again, or you just want to put the other door for more security, open it up, open it all the way, pop it off, and then you take this door, pop it back on, shut, and you are sealed and good to go. It's super simple, but it's a great little accessory that could be highly critical in certain situations to allow you to get the shots that you want. So I highly recommend it. Fairly inexpensive, available on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. And if you have any questions about it, just drop them in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, like and subscribe for more content, and I appreciate you for stopping by the channel.